Hey everyone! If you want to add XRP without leaving your wallet or searching for contract codes, this is for you. We're using the built-in Discover tab to get it done in seconds. Let's go. Step 1. Open the Discover tab. Open your MetaMask extension. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Discover icon. It looks like a small compass or magnifying glass. Click that to open the internal browser. Step 2. Search for XRP. In the search bar at the top of the Discover page, simply type XRP. MetaMask will suggest the most popular versions of the token. Look for the one that says XRP Binance Peg or has the BNB Smart Chain logo next to it. This is the most common version for MetaMask. Step 3. Hit the plus button or Add to Wallet button. Once you see XRP in the results, you'll notice a small plus icon or an Add to Wallet button right next to it. Click that button. Step 4. Confirm the pop-up. A small window will slide up from the bottom of your extension asking if you'd like to add suggested token. Click Add Token and you're finished. You can now head back to your main Tokens tab and your XRP balance will be sitting right there. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.